everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letscookolet. Today I want to show you how to make a rice pudding. Everyone make it different, so today I want to show you my way how I make rice pudding. So what I have here, I'm using the medium grain Italian style rice, and I'm gonna add water. Start on the medium high. Mix it a little bit. We're gonna, as soon as it start boiling, we'll bring it down to simmer, and we will cover it and we'll wait till the rice absorbed all the water. As you can see here, the water start boiling, so give it a little mix. Bring the stove down to medium low or low. Cover it up for 5-6 minutes and let it cook. The rice is fully cooked, and it's kind of like a sticky rice because I use a medium grain rice. And now it's time to add the milk. I'm using 3.25% milk, and it's a kind of, it brings it like more creamier for the rice pudding. So I'm gonna add the milk and the sugar, rose water, orange blossom water, vanilla extract, and a cornstarch. Mix it very well. Now cover and wait till the start boiling and the milk thicken up. You can see it, look at that here. And the rice is fully cooked. Beautiful, nice and good to go. Turn off. And rice pudding, to me, it's a budget dessert. It's very quick and easy and very cheap to make. And almost every house in the world have the ingredients for the rice pudding, which is the main ingredients. It's the rice, milk, sugar, vanilla, and whatever flavor you add, it's up to you. So now we're gonna put it in any casserole you have to cool it down in the fridge. And yes, you can serve it warm, but definitely not boiling hot. But me, I like it nice and cold because I'm gonna chill it in the fridge. Couple of hours in the fridge, and this is the rice pudding right here. And as I said earlier, don't be afraid not to cover it, because the this top here, the hard top, this is the best part in the rice pudding. Right here, this is my favorite part. Oh my god, so good. I love it. Now you can serve it like this. You can pour it in an individual cup, and me, I like to have it in the casserole, cool it down, then put in a cup and put the topping you want. So I'll show you the way I serve it. And a little bit cinnamon, and I have here a raisin, which is much better if you soak the raisin a night before. And little whipped cream in the middle, and it's a budget dessert, my favorite one. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.